Your boy Marcoelboriken, you already know, doing my celebration, my victory lap. It's the Reconquista Moro. And behind me, bro, this monastery's been here in my backyard my whole life. And knowledge itself finally opened my eyes to seeing the Assyrian, Byzantine, Mesopotamian, Akkadian, Moorish, Romanesque, Al-Andalusian, Mudehad, Almohad influence in this building right here. Old Empire influence. And last video I was showing you the dome at the top. It's an octagonal dome, but there's two domes in it. Circular dome, and then that's the octagonal sort of dome that has the Romanesque, ancient Mesopotamian, Assyrian style capitals, columns with the arch style windows, and you can see the mosaic right in the window too, with the beautiful symmetry there, right? And then there's an alfiz right in your face too, the box enclosing the arc, right? And then those stripes on the top of that dome, I think they call it a spined or ribbed style, and that strictly comes from Andalusia. And then there's also stripes or ribs on that one right there. That's more obvious. See, little oculus right there, window, little oculus right there with the crowns around it, 4 crowns around it, right? Massive Thracian triangular rooftop right there. Look at that. And the old glory color scheme is still in your face with the trees kind of acting as the pentagrams. And then these slabs right here, you can see it's all part of the same structure. It's a massive, massive work right here. Look at this. You can hear. And then this is considered to be a heavy masonry work. So obviously we already know where that's going. And this is another view of the beautiful dome, fire. Honestly, I would love to live in one of those, to be 1,000,000% honest with you, Moros. If I lived in one of those, I have all the Moors coming through. Love, true peace, freedom, and justice. Your boy Marcoelboriken showing you the monastery, credited by Charles Keeley, the same architect that was over in Ibri, Ebre, Hebreo, Iber, Lenape, across the Hudson Bay. Same architect credited for doing this one. It's impossible, bro. It's impossible for people on horse and buggy to be making these huge structures. This stuff had to have predated 1776. I'm your brother, Marcoelboriken, bringing it down to you live out here across the Hudson Bay, showing you some of this amazing architecture.